We are going to Bahnhof to meet our other students from the university, and from there we'll start our trip in just 9 minutes. So I'll catch them up and I'll show you next. Alright, this is my group. There are around 30 people, I'm not sure. And now we are at Regensburg और अभी हम यहाँ से जाएंगे पता नहीं कहाँ जाएंगे, we don't know. Actually I don't know, but there is an itinerary which we will follow, and we have to go and reach to the boat to start the boat ride. It's I guess 45 minutes of boat ride to reach the Walhalla Memorial Temple. We'll roam around Regensburg and do the picnic as well. So let's go there.
We'll go to this park to make if you want, a group picture.
Yo, Adam in the house. Can you sing that popular song?
That's what I was.
Yeah, just one time. Just one time. I want to record this.
No.
Oh. Trip start with an accident. Yeah. Call Praxis. We have not fall. We have a not fall. We have a not fall. Content will Beautiful flowers, beautiful peoples. Not all are beautiful.
Nice because it's in the 1950s, like after the Second World War, when the German economy started to regain its power. A lot of those muffin houses were built all over Germany. So if you're touring around Germany, you will be happy to see a few of them. So they're really, really old. I think this one was created 95, at the beginning of 1950s. So that's quite nice. You can grab a coffee if you want. And I would say before we go to the old town, we can make a cute picture in front of the Walhalla Memorial. It had the first postal system, so kind of a medieval FedEx or stuff, yeah, you know. And she's really, really rich. She has this big palace and a big park. And I think on her birthday, once she invited Elton John, who had a concert in this park. Do you all know Elton John, right?
Yeah.
What's your favorite song?
Piano Man.
Can you sing it for me?
No, I can't.
Come on, know us.
I can sing.
Rocket Man?
No, not rockin'. What's the other?
Your song?
I'll think about it.
Think about it.
I'll let you know.
Alright, and yes, she even has a really, really beautiful Xmas market. Like, because people are always saying that Nürnberg Weihnachtsmarkt is the most beautiful, but I don't think that's true because Gloria in her park has, in my eyes, the most beautiful Xmas market. So try to check it out if you're here on in Christmas time. So you have to pay a small entry fee, but it's really the most beautiful Christmas market I've ever seen. All right.
Okay.
Any questions? I won't be able to answer them, but.
फिर से एक और lecture हो रहा है. One more another description.
Is the dome, which is a Gothic cathedral in Regensburg. So maybe if we can check it. Oh, sorry. Maybe we can go in the dome if you want. No?
Surely said Turken.
Happy Turkish People Street, right?
Oh. Happy Turkish Street. Okay, Adam. Be my tour guide.
So, this is Regensburg,
Yes, good.
and we get off of the Hauptbahnhof, and we walk past the, what is it called? What, Maria Garden? Isn't it?
Yeah, continue.
Then after we walk past the garden, and then he tell us about the history of the garden. It was built after World War II, and then I think that's all I got. And now we're walking to the Altstadt. This is
Altstadt?
Altstadt, Altstadt. The old city of the Regensburg.
Yep.
So, who's learning German right now? Can try to?
Something national.
I think I know what they're saying.
Can you translate it?
I'm not sure about Manenden, but it's saying like this is in memory of the book burning that
Exactly.
the Nazis did, I guess here.
National socialist.
Yeah, like the Nazis burned, I assume, books here that
Exactly.
they disagreed with.
Exactly, that's right. And here's a quote of Heinrich Heine, which is one of the greatest German like poem writers. Das war ein Vorspiel nur. Dort, wo man Bücher verbrennt, verbrennt man auch am Ende die Menschen, right? Where you start burning books, later on you start burn the people. And that's actually what kind of happened in the history of Germany, right? Great, so I think now we can go to the most important, most famous and well-known place in Regensburg, and that's the Regensburger Dom, like the Gothic cathedral. Yeah, probably it is, yeah. So that's a great spot for taking photos. And if you want, you can go in. This is completely fine and watch a Gothic cathedral. The Pirates of the Caribbean movies. Really?
Number one.
Yes. So if you need elegante Damen or Herrenhüte, that's, that's the best address, I think. Dackel, like dachshund, what's it called? Dachshund, right? You know Dachshund? No. Dachshund. Like, see the picture? Okay. Like, Regensburg is the home of the biggest dachshund parade worldwide, okay? And here you can buy merchandise if you like dachshunds, alright? So, and now we are kind of stuck in traffic. Just follow me! Of the German learning people? I got a question for you.
One horn.
Check this. Check this.
One horn.
But that was not to the German speaking, the native German speaking guys. Do you know what this would mean?
Unicorn.
There used to be a graffiti.
But it's repainted now.
He's looking at him. So the guy who built the cathedral, he couldn't finish it in time.
Okay.
So he jumped from the cathedral and killed himself because he lost it. So he's looking at him jumping off. What Michael said is that there's actually like hundreds of years between them, so it's kind of a bullshit story, but it's the story that stuck. Yeah.
It's fictional.
I think it's fictional.
If it's hundreds of years between them,
Between them, yeah.
that doesn't count.
Yeah. That's the story.
The person came from time travel, maybe. ऐसा मानने में क्या मैं बोल रहा हूँ
What do you... Okay, because we are at the UTN, and as you know, we don't want lectures, so I want you to active learn. So form groups of 5 people each. No, just a joke, but look at this thing and just... Do you have any idea what this might be? You can go... Just go around and have a look. It's not a fountain, right?
That's a good guess, actually.
What did you say?
Old cemetery.
Exactly.
It's a good guess.
Yes, for sure. Yes. Okay. And the thing is, you hear me? This place right here. This was the place of a Jewish church, a synagogue, or how you
Yeah, synagogue.
synagogue, right? And the Nazis back then, World War II, they destroyed the synagogue. And what you see now is like the pillars, or like the, I think it's recreated. So just to remind everyone what happened here. Exactly. And it's kind of funny because a lot of people don't know what it means. And a synagogue, a Jewish church, which was destroyed in World War II. All right, and this place was created to remind everyone what happened.
This is Regensburg. Nice. It's better than Nuremberg. हाँ सुंदर तो है. अच्छा है. गहरी नदी.
भाई एक फोटो खींच. एक तो फोटो खींच दे.
अच्छा ये बंदा हमारा हिंदी वाला बंदा अब ये इंटरप्रेट करेगा. करो भाई.
कुछ नहीं आता.
चलो 3 लोग हो तुम बताओ. तीनों मिलके बताओ क्या लिखा है.
My account, I can end.
I can't hear actually. I can't hear.
नहीं यार. आई पता नहीं.
Sofen hour.
ये पता नहीं भाई.
यार इस क्योंटे आप Hören zu sopen. I can hear you sopping. क्योंटे means I could.
I could.
नीचे क्या है? What के बाद?
उसके बाद का पढ़ा नहीं मैंने. इस क्योंटे anrufen Sie hören.
No, not anrufen.
Ich könnte, what?
Aufhören.
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 Aufhören. Sie shoppen.
Okay.
Shoppen.
Yeah.
Einkaufen.
So what does that translates?
To German.
Yeah.
No,
In English.
Ich könnte aufhören zu shoppen.
I could stop going to shop, like during, shopping. Did it really say that?
Where was the stop word here?
I can hear you shopping.
No. But in this whole sentence, there is where is stop word?
Where's what?
Hey, क्या था?
Aufhören. Stop.
Aufhören means stop.
Yeah.
I thought Hören means listening.
I didn't know.
Hören das.
I could stop here for shopping.
Aufhören is like to stop.
No. The meaning would be like I can stop here for shopping. No. Is this the meaning?
No.
No.
No, but aufhören is like,
Aufhören is end. So
to end something.
yeah.
I think we need to go back and inspect the sign. What wasn't the name of
It's
this
in the. Okay, so now we have to take the boat from this platform, but I don't know which boat will be ours because that one is already parked. Okay, this is a boat. अपन लोग इसमें जाएंगे. Nice. ओहो, बड़ी बोट देख के छोटी में आने जा रहे हैं अब हम. इसमें घूमेंगे. This is our boat. We'll travel in this. It's getting parked now. Monarch queen है. Monarch बीस की queen को बोलते हैं ना.
जो अलग-अलग कंट्री में जाते हैं.
हाँ वो जो उस दिन देखा था. पता है डिवेल वो कौन था? एक दिन एक वो देखा था. उसमें तुम्हें दूसरे पता नहीं 10 या 15 कंट्रीज या जगह में लेके जाते हैं.
That's the Walhalla, guys. We are coming to here and then we are again to here. और ये बोट है स्टैंड. So we are outside from the boat. Now we are going to Walhalla Memorial. This way. ऐसे ट्यून लगा दो पीछे. ऐसे कैमरा घुमाऊंगा मैं. ये और फिर 10x. होए नहीं. रेलगाड़ी. रेलगाड़ी बनाते. Sehr schön. Oh, hoy. We are climbing the stairs. It's very tiring. We came from that river. It's now river, and now going to the memorial, which is this way. It's tiring, but the view is very soon. What a beautiful view. Watching 0.6. Nice. Oh, so we finally reached here. Walhalla is here. These are my partners. Do you want to say something, Nuaz?
Yes. I want to thank my friend Nitish here for taking us along and planning this trip.
No,
Thank you, Nitish.
it's all because of you. He's the man behind all this. Nah.
And now we can see the glorious German heroes. Siddhartha, our German hero.
There is an entry fees to enter in the temple, and it's €5 for a normal person and €4 for student. So if you want to enter inside the temple, these are the prices. We didn't knew about that, so it was like quite certain thing, but it's not that high price. So if you want to go inside, you can go and take a look. And then this is the back view. It's the back view of the Walhalla temple. And if we go and look around here, we can see there's a washroom as well. And I don't know what's that way, what is there, but I guess this way we have a cafe. So let's see if we can fill water there. So let's go and check it out. So we are getting free drinks here, free pretzel inside this building at this event. फ्री जूस भी पी लिया है, अब हम फ्री आइसक्रीम खाने जा रहे हैं. So
और उसके बाद 6:45 को है हमारी अगली ट्रेन.
so we're looking for the guys of our team. They are on the ice cream parlor, but we don't know how far is it. We put the location on Google Map. I'm just following him. And look at the streets, how beautiful they are. Okay, that's the free party.
40 minutes until the train leaves. You can slowly make your way to the train station. You can wander through the city. I don't know the way back. Maybe don't trust me. Maybe somewhere you can get like drinking water. According to when you need some water, that is the way.
So we're done with our Walhalla trip, and now we are just having the ice cream. This is €5.5 ice cream. Main thing is this shop has no customer before us, but when we came here, we are a huge group. We are around 30 people, so it's sort of an advertisement for them. Like after us, there is a huge line now, and that's the power of marketing, which we did them for free. Then now we have a train at 6:45, and we need to catch that, but it's around 6, so we have 45 minutes. So we can have ice cream and roam around the city. The city is very beautiful. The cars don't drive here, only people. You can see the street. The main street is there. Ciao.